Today at the We Rent shop, I'm doing a major service on my 2009 Toyota RAV4. We're going to start with the spark plugs. It's a 2GR FE 3.5 liter V6, so there are 3 spark plugs in front of you under the engine cover. Besides breaking every single connector when unplugging the coils, it was pretty straightforward. The rear bank, however, is a different story because the intake plenum has to come off and the coils and plugs are right up against the firewall. For our paid partnership, Craftsman sent me this 159-piece low-profile tool set with ratchets that have up to a 25% thinner head for increased access in tight spaces. It'd be a great time to put it to the test.